Welcome to the channel. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I'm thinking maybe this will be helpful. I really do. I'm having a communication with a supplier and I was trying to get across how to order tubular locks and some extra keys and stuff I don't have. I want to show you guys these parts and pieces, but I'm having trouble trying to explain it. And what I'm thinking is that a video like this would be helpful. What do you think? You think a video like this would be helpful? I do. So the introduction for this video is, you guys, all you guys out there in YouTube world, if you get yourself a camera and you want to have an explanation for a difficult subject, tubular keys. They're not that high security, but everybody's interested in them. Now, if you need to tell them exactly what key you need, exactly what lock you need, wouldn't it be better to show them a picture? I'm thinking a picture is worth 1,000 words. So at the end of my video, if you stay till the end, I have a lot of still pictures. So you guys can order your own keys. And you'll be able to know how to maybe say it properly. Also, there's only 2 pinning kits in this world that I can find that really work for tubular keys in the United States of America. And I've got them in this video. So I have a little cut where I'm showing how I want the supplier to get me what I need. Because I'm a needy person. Well, not really. I have most everything, but there's a couple of items that I think most of you guys are interested in the tubular lock world. So let's get into the show. It's not long. It's an explanation of how you can talk to your supplier maybe. Post a video, maybe just a video where you and him are having the conversation on a video. And he'll be able to understand exactly what you need. Now, if I muddled this up, I'm sure I have. Oh, by the way, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. So here's an example of tubular keys. This is the most standard in the USA right here. And then this is one from the Chicago Compex company, Chicago Lock. Now this is not standard, but if you have a cylinder that I can rekey, repin out of this brand right here, I would really appreciate it. I do not have one of those. This is for the standard locks right here. These are straight out of Amazon. Very inexpensive. So this kit right here will do those. And then here's the pinning charts. I have this all on my community post, by the way. Maybe that will help get you focused. Thanks, I'm looking forward to doing these videos. I've got a lot in mind just for these tubular keys. And this is how you measure them. My invention. Right off the shelf from Amazon. Bye now. If you stay till the end, you'll get to see this in action. You've got to see how this works. This measuring device is invaluable, guys. You got to get one. I have a link in the description. Guys, I almost forgot. You've got to hit the like button. It's very important to me.